Rosario, number 3. Number 24, pass to Aisip to number 24 again. Aisip to Malsi.
Wala yan!
Aisip. Combine for side number 1 for Jensen. Give the ball by number 2.
Gagagot na si Joey.
Number 8, Matonya. Give the ball. Number 1, 5 seconds left. Referee violation. Rosario. Time out by Jensen.
Sab, Joey!
Mamaya daw, mamaya.
Go, Joey!
Ay, Diyos ko, nagpa-picture mo.
12 minutes and 6
Tayo tayo
seconds.
dyan.
Mami, may nagpapapicture ka dyan, nadidistract sa laro si Jay. Nadidistract ang laro niya. May nagpapapicture ka kagad.
Sabay kami dapat
Go, Jay!
Ano ba si nanay naman eh?
Wala na pagkakagayan.
Manzano. Always in.
Wala naman ni Kim?
Sige pa pupunta.
Oo, papunta na.
Pupunta ng bahay nila. Ate, tatakala ko mag-cheer.
Ball position for white team. Number 18. Inbounded by Apostol to Alves. Alves. Dribble the ball by Alves. Alves.
Sino yung bata na yun?
Pass to Kaisip, number 4. To Alves again. Alves fires. 4-2 by Alves. Score 13. 16. Favor of Jensen. Pass to number 1. Monsaya to number 8. Sanya. Number 8. Pass to number 1. Foul on number 18. Foul on number 18. Aposto. Foul on Aposto.